a new method best sideloading IPA files in 2025 without revoke and unable to install error. There are different methods of sideloading IPA files like the Scarlet app or Zine. But Zine and Scarlet app using Certificate Enterprise always got revoked. But there's one solution for you that is introducing FlexStore app. This is the interface of FlexStore app. The first thing we will cover is its large app library without computer and without getting revoked. As can see, all the app's games and tools are categorized accordingly, starting from most popular apps to emulators, and the number of these apps are more than 400, which are frequently updated. So you don't need to find any IPA files manually, but with FlexStore you can get it easily. Just find your IPA files on Library app. Click and install the IPA files directly on your iPhone and iPad without computer and without revoke. Also, you can add repo library manually like Sideload or Cydia on jailbroken device. This is the best alternative jailbreak for your new device that is not supported for jailbreak tool. So, let's get started to connect your device with FlexStore. Open FlexStore website, then click Get. Then add the FlexStore to your home screen by clicking this button and click Add to Home Screen. After that, open FlexStore on your home screen. Hit Device section, then click Add Device. After that, install FlexStore Profile on Setting. Profile downloaded. Click Install. The FlexStore will connect it to your device. Open FlexStore again. Then you will see your device here. To install IPA files, you need a certificate to install the app on FlexStore. Please add your certificate, or you can subscribe by getting a developer certificate from FlexStore. I highly recommend you get it from FlexStore because it guarantees 100% no revoke, and I guarantee you won't get revoked again with this FlexStore certificate. And you can also add tweaks to make your device look like it has been jailbroken. After you get the certificate and the certificate status is checked, you can install any application in this FlexStore library. You can also install your own IPA files if they are not available in the library by going to the Signer section, uploading your IPA files and install. Easy, right? As you can see, I have successfully installed any IPA files easily without computer and without revoke. Only one click you can install any app on your iPhone or iPad. No limit and no jailbreak needed. And you also don't need to verify the application when it is installed, such as AltStore or Assign, which use enterprise certificates which have limit. Because this FlexStore has a special certificate that will not be revoked by Apple, and this is legal. You can install FlexStore on their official website, or you can check the link in the description of this video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help about FlexStore, you can leave your comment so I will help you to install IPA files on your device. See you on the next video.